Hey YouTube, it's your girl Tink, and welcome to my channel Life with Tink, and I am back with another video. So in today's video I will be repotting my brother's plant, and forgive me if I mispronounce the name of his plant, Dracaena Marginata. Another name for it is dragon tree, so I'm gonna go by that because that is much easier to pronounce. So I removed as much of the dirty soil from the pot so that way I could get the dragon tree plants out of the pot. And one of the dragon tree plant is dead. So if you're seeing me being rough with removing the dirty soil from one of the plant's roots, it's because it's the dead one, not the healthy one. So I didn't pretty much care to be gentle with that one. So I'm finally done removing the old dirty soil from the dragon tree plants, and here are how the roots are looking while they're soaking. Here is the dead one that I was talking about, which I'll be throwing away. Once I remove the old dirty soil from the roots of the plants, I then started adding the fresh soil to the pot, and I also added plant food to the pot and also mixed in more while adding more dirt to the pot. Here are the two dragon tree plants, and as y'all can see, the roots are very healthy. So I could not do two of them in one pot. I had to give each plant its own pot, and so I am gently placing the dragon tree plant in the pot and seeing how it will sit in there on its own, and I let it tell me like how it wants to sit. I don't forcefully put it in there, and that's just the best way it's set. So I just started covering it up with more dirt just so that way I can keep that desired position. So I had added enough soil to the pot so that way the dragon tree plant can stand up with support correctly using Velcro tape. The dragon tree plant has the support it needs to stand up correctly. So here I'm just adding more soil to the pot, filling it up to the top, and also breaking down big chunks of any soil. So technically I am done with this one. I just have to do some cutting. I have some brown on the leaves, so I like to cut and trim those. So that's all I was doing here, was just giving the dragon tree plant a new fresh cut, you know, getting her together. One down, one more to go. So now we're going to start off again with some fresh new soil. And I just want to take a second to say, if you're enjoying my content and want to support my channel, don't forget you can send a super thanks on this video or use super chat and super stickers during my live stream. Every bit of support helps me create more content for you guys. Thank you guys for so much. And before I get back to the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I am now adding the plant food to the soil. So this dragon tree plant didn't really need any support, but I needed support to keep it in position. So because of the bag of soil was heavy for me to lift and hold the plant in position, I had someone help me, and they end up holding the plant while I poured the soil into the pot, and then it also helped me break down the big chunk of soil. When I was repotting the second dragon tree plant, I really kind of rushed through this one because I was a little bit exhausted, I'm not gonna lie. It was a process for real, but I do hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I do apologize that I haven't been consistent. I probably took like 2 or 3 months off. Y'all, I've been going through a lot. My car got hit, so I've been trying to get my car fixed. I've been having to pick up more hours at my other job. I do have more sterile processing videos coming soon, so stay tuned for that. Here I'm just filling up both pots with more dirt. As y'all can see, I am done with both. It's just I have to fill them up to the top. Thank you guys for tuning in to another short vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't, don't forget to follow me on all social media at Tink Authentic Co. That's TINKAUTHENTICCO. Tink Authentic Co. Thank you for watching.